seal it very well, the frozen, which I kept and kept in the fridge. And now I'm going to make the paratha out of this. So here's a big try with this veggies safe, and this way it will not get spoiled also. So now we'll make the paratha out of this. Because things get spoiled, so green chili as well. Just give it a stir. Mint also has frozen. Yes, mint. This is mint, which I have frozen. All the content. Everything is frozen, friends. See. Now in this I'll add the spices, other spices like turmeric and jeera powder. That's it, nothing else. And I'll add the atta also and salt. Everything.